Welcome to World's Knowledge Book. India State-wise Information. Number 2. Delhi. Delhi, officially the national capital of Delhi, is a city and union territory of India containing New Delhi, the capital of India. It is bordered by the state of Haryana on 3 sides and Uttar Pradesh to the east. According to 2011 census, Delhi's city proper population was over 11 million, the second highest in India after Mumbai. Delhi ranks 5th among Indian states and UTs in Human Development Index. Founded by Anangpal Tomar. Capital, New Delhi. Districts, 11. Rajya Sabha seats, 3. Lok Sabha seats, 7. Official languages: Hindi, English. Additional official languages: Punjabi, Urdu. Animal: Nilgai. Bird: house sparrow. Flower: alfalfa. The Parliament of India, Rashtrapati Bhavan, Cabinet Secretariat, and Supreme Court of India are located in New Delhi. Though most of its history, Delhi has served as a capital of various kingdoms and empires. Indira Gandhi International Airport, situated to the southwest of Delhi, is the main gateway for city's domestic and international civilian air traffic, busiest airport in India and South Asia. Delhi has the highest road density in India. It is connected to other parts of India by 5 national highways: NH1, NH2, NH8, NH10, NH24. The Delhi-Mumbai and Delhi-Kolkata prongs of Golden Quadrilateral start from the city. Delhi is a major junction in the Indian Railways network and is the headquarters of the Northern Railway. The main railway stations are New Delhi, Old Delhi, Nazrat, Nizamuddin, Anand Vihar, Delhi Sarai, Rohila and Delhi Kanat. The Delhi Metro is a rapid transit system serving Delhi, Ghaziabad, Faridabad, Gurgaon and Noida in NCR of India. Delhi Metro is the world's 10th largest metro in terms of length. Swaminarayan Akshardham in Delhi is the largest Hindu temple complex in NCT. Lal Mandir is a historic Jain temple in Old Delhi. Gurudwara Bangala Sahib is one of the most prominent Sikh Gurudwara in Delhi. The Jama Masjid is one of India's largest mosques. Lotus Temple is one of the famous tourist spots in Delhi. The National Museum and National Gallery of Modern Art are the largest museums in the country. Chandni Chowk, a 17th century market, is one of the most popular shopping areas in Delhi. There are numerous tourist attractions in Delhi, both historic and modern. The 3 UNESCO World Heritage Sites in Delhi: Qutub Complex, Red Fort and Humayun's Tomb. Another prominent landmark of Delhi is India Gate, a 1931 built war memorial to soldiers of British Indian Army who died during the First World War. Major universities in Delhi: All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Indian Institute of Technology, National Law University, University of Delhi. Delhi has hosted many major international sporting events: 1951 Asian Games, 1982 Asian Games, 1989 Asian Atlantic Championship, 2010 Hockey World Cup, 2010 Commonwealth Games, and 2011 Cricket World Cup.